first one sommer straight wil ek aansou. This is take down all national puppets. As yeah. Dat seizoen en een half fuppie spellen in. So het was seizoen Hanzo and Sashuri. Who the flip is this? I'm gonna start with my guy. Damn. Okay, let's think. It's not a male. It's not from Konoha. Doesn't have taijutsu. It has non-attribute. Flip. I was thinking I was gonna go with the slug, but now I can't go with the slug because it's a non-attribute, not a summon. It's not a male. A female with nothing. It's not Zetsuo, so a female with nothing. It's not Mikoto. Could it be a no? Nope. A female with nothing. I feel like it could be Tayuya, but it wouldn't be Tayuya. R-D-Y. I would have said Jinchuriki, so it's not her. I actually have no idea what it could be. And it's after the Chunin exams, before or after? After the Chunin exams. It's not gonna be Kaguya, so it's not Bakun. I actually have no idea. Could be her. I haven't seen her do anything. Let's go with her. Oh damn. Us, yeah. I'm a goat.